Networking is one of the biggest parts on how to grow your Twitch stream and make it a successful career, but let's take a look at how to actually network and what I think most people are doing wrong when it comes to networking on Twitch. Hey guys, if we have not met before, my name is Luke. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we're talking all about live streaming, we're talking about social media, and how to grow and monetize it in the end. If any of that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit the sub button down below. And I'm also streaming live on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10:30 a.m. MST. Links down in the description. Let's get started with the video. One last thing that I just want to throw out there, and you guys can think about it however you want. The fastest and most efficient way of growing your Twitch stream is having a YouTube channel, growing your YouTube channel, and bringing these viewers back to Twitch. I'm not going to go into detail about this because this is not the purpose of the video. We want to focus on networking. But if you have any question about this, let me know down in the comments below, and maybe I will make a follow-up video on that. Networking is such a big word, in my opinion. And while I will tell you later in the video how to use Discord and Twitter when it comes to networking, I think the most important thing to get out of the way right now is your mindset. Naturally, what people think about when it comes to networking is I have to find someone who is my size, who streams about the same things that I do, so fits in my niche, fits in my personality, and it has to be bigger in viewership than I am because I want to get something out of it. There's no point of me networking with someone who is smaller because then there's nothing that I can get out of it. And this is where pretty much everyone is wrong. It is not about what you can get out of this. This is not about growing a huge network with people that you barely know in order to get something out of it. It's about the quality of your network and the support of your network and not the size. Generally, the idea is not wrong to find someone that fits your personality and fits in your niche, because it is a lot easier to connect with these people than if you are streaming Modern Warfare and you find someone that streams Animal Crossing and you guys have absolutely nothing in common. It is easier if you're streaming Modern Warfare to find someone who's also streaming Modern Warfare, because you can break the ice, you have something to talk about, you probably have a similar liking and disliking when it comes to video games. So it's a lot easier to connect on that basis, but this is not where it should stop. What a lot of people do when they find someone they want to connect with is they go in their stream and they engage, but they always have in the back of their mind is, what can I get out of this? Networking is not a quick follow for follow kind of scheme to get your viewers or your followers up. You want to build a supportive network where you support them, they support you over a long period of time. This is not a sprint. So what this means in short is you want to network because you like this person, because you want to be friends with that person, not because you just want something out of it. Take the term networking and just throw it out. Networking became such almost a toxic term that people just have in the back of the head, always thinking of their personal gain. You want to grow on Twitch, so you need to spend time on Twitch. You need to learn the platform and get to know the people on the platform. How can you grow on a platform that you personally would never spend time on yourself? When you throw your personal gain out the window and you start genuinely engaging with people, it becomes a two-way street. After a while, the streamer will notice that you are in the stream every single time. You maybe even start collaborating with the streamer, just getting a few games in here and there. And when it comes to that moment of where the streamer is going offline and thinking about someone to raid or throw the host over, he'll come across you. Because you've been there the whole time and you guys have a connection now, you guys became friends, and he naturally wants to support you. And this is how networking works. You get to know the people, you engage with the people, you become friends with the people, and it becomes a two-way street of support. Let's talk about Discord and Twitter just for a really brief moment before the end of the video. Discord is a really great way to embed yourself in a community that someone already created. Get to know the community, learn from the community, learn why they follow the streamer, what is making this streamer so great, and why do they love him so much? Or her for the matter. Learn from other streamers, learn from their communities, and don't look at what you can get out of it. Don't go in a Discord server from someone else and just spam your link or try to link people back to your own Twitch channel. This is not genuine, and people will know this and they will notice and kick you out. When it comes to growing your own Discord server, I would highly recommend not starting with it right from the get-go. It is a lot easier to have people in your Discord server if you already have a community, then open a Discord server, everyone comes in at once, and when new people join over the course of the next year or so, they will see that there are already people in the Discord, it's relatively active, and they're more inclined to actually join and be a part of this than when they are there right at the beginning and you have about 5 people in your Discord server. Keeping a Discord server active and alive is a pretty hard and difficult situation, but it is doable. Just wait a little later, get your stream going, and after a while, if enough people ask for it, create a Discord server, put in some time, make it look pretty, and then make sure you keep it active every single day. When it comes to Twitter, really quick, Twitter is the platform that pretty much every single streamer represents as well. Every single streamer has a Twitter account. Not everyone has a YouTube or an Instagram, at least not displayed, but every single one has a Twitter. So if you want to get to know a streamer on a more personal level, go check out their Twitter, go check out what they tweet, maybe their thoughts, maybe what they retweet and what they like. And then if you really like the streamer's content, tag them on Twitter. Tag them and say, just watch this streamer's stream, it was amazing. People love seeing themselves tagged on Twitter and then start engaging and start a conversation there. Don't just use Twitter to retweet and spam your own link. It dilutes your content and people will never come back because they think all they can see in your Twitter feed is your own personal promotion. Guys, this is it with the end of the video. I really appreciate you being here and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you're still here, make sure you smash the like button, leave a comment down below of what your favorite scenario and what your favorite approach to networking and building friendships in that sense is. Like I said, the most important part is to take this toxic mindset of your own personal gain and throw it out the window. Be on the platform and enjoy the platform. It is a great platform to just have fun on. You don't need to always make it about business, and you will see that if you're actually genuine, enjoying someone and creating a friendship, you will get a lot more support out of it. Guys, I hope you have a good day. If you liked the video, share with your families, your friends, the dog. And make sure you hit the sub button down below for every Wednesday and Saturday's upload. And on Twitch, link is in the description every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday 10:30 a.m. MST. Just about to go live. I'll catch you there.